Hi, I'm Chris with Maxxair, an Airxcel brand. Today, I'm going to show you what's in the box when you purchase the Maxxshade, either the Plus or the regular version. Both contain the same items, except one has lights, obviously, and the other doesn't. That way you'll know what to expect, and you'll know that you have everything needed to do your installation. Let's take a look. I've gone ahead and opened up the box, laid everything out on the table. One thing you are going to get, of course, is the unit itself. If it's the lighted unit, it should be the one with the lights and the one with the switch on it. You'll also get this garnish ring, and that's going to receive this on the installation. You'll get 4 screws that are going to be just like the ones that you're going to pull out of your existing vent or fan, and they're the ones with the white on it. And then we've got 2 different kinds of connectors for you. We've got wire nuts, and we have these T-receiver connectors that kind of make things a little bit easier if you prefer to go at it that way. And of course, you'll get the installation manual. That's what you're gonna get when you purchase the Maxxshade or the Maxxshade Plus. I have one in my van. I really love it. It's super easy to install. Thanks for watching and have a great time out on the road.